How to turn on or turn off characters and character hints, typing feedback for spoken content on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, go down and tap on Spoken Content. Then in here, go down and tap on Typing Feedback. Next, at the top here in the Character Feedback section, tap on Characters toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now, when you turn it on, there is a new section called Character Feedback Delay. So you can either use the default or you can make the adjustment by tapping on the Add button or the Remove button to adjust the delay duration. And that's it. The next one is the character hints. You can also turn it on or switch it off. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.